Hello dear students, welcome to the maths video class of standard 5. Today we will study chapter number 5. Does it look the same? Now let's make patterns from a drop of color. I have made these patterns, these two patterns from a drop of color. You can make them too, this girl said. So children, you can also make patterns on your own. You can make your own pattern. So these are the steps. Using this you can make pattern of your own. First step, take a sheet of paper as shown here, then fold it into half. As shown here, you can fold it into half. Open the fold and put a drop of color on the middle line. Then open this fold and put a drop of color as shown here on the middle line. Then fold it twice. Again you fold it twice and press it to spread the color and press it. Then open it and see a beautiful pattern. You can see a beautiful pattern when you open. So here is given. Now question is given, can you cut this pattern in such a way that you get two similar mirror hearts? In how many ways can you do it? So children, do you remember mirror hearts? You studied in 3rd standard chapter 1. If you don't, you can refer maths textbook. Mirror hearts means exactly the same part. If you put mirror in the middle, you will get the complete image. We can draw a vertical line here and cut from here to get two similar mirror hearts, and we can do this in only one way. Here look at this pattern. The dotted line divides the shape into two halves. This is vertical dotted line, and this dotted line divides this shape into two halves, two halves. But if you fold it along the dotted line, this is left part, this is left and this is right. If you fold it along the dotted line, the left half, this left half does not cover the right half completely. You can see here this right part, we can see here some. So the two halves are not mirror halves, and you can understand what is mirror halves. So now look at another shape. This is another shape. If you fold it along the dotted line, one half will cover the other similar half completely. So the two here are mirror halves. So you can see here, if you fold it along this dotted line, one half will cover the other similar half completely. Here we can't see the other half part, means one half cover the other similar half completely. So the two here are mirror halves. Now you can understand what is mirror halves. If you fold it along the dotted line, one half will cover the other similar half completely. They are called mirror halves. Now imagine the same for this picture. So this is also called symmetry line, and shape is symmetric. See here, this is dotted line and this image is mirror halves, and here also two mirror halves are there. So this is symmetric shape. Let's move on to the next page. Here question is given, which shapes are divided into two mirror halves by the dotted line? So children, observe this all the pictures and see the dotted line. So let's see first shape number 1. Shape 1 has shades, so we cannot divide it into two mirror halves by the dotted line. And shape 3, here is shape 3. The vertical dotted line can't pass through the middle, so we can't divide it into two mirror halves. And this shape number also we can't divide into two mirror halves. So shape 1 we cannot divide into two mirror halves. Shape 2 also are not divided into two mirror halves by the dotted line. So this is also not. Third one also, this line is not passing through the middle. So this is also not. And this shape number 4, because of this shade, one part is shaded and other part is not shaded. So this is also not divided into two mirror halves. This shape 5, yes, this is divided into two mirror halves. 6, yes, this is also divided into two mirror halves. 7 is this, yes, this is also divided into two mirror halves. 8, yes, this is also divided into two mirror halves by the dotted line. 9, no, if you see the top part and this is bottom part, these both are not exactly same. See, these wings are different, so this is not divided into two mirror halves by the dotted line. 10 also not divided into two mirror halves because of this color. 11 is also not divided into two mirror halves. You can see both parts are not exactly the same. Then number 12 is also not divided into two mirror halves by the dotted line. See, these both top part and bottom part are not exactly same. These both are different. 13, yes, both parts are equal. So this is divided into two mirror halves by the dotted line. So yes. Number 14 is not divided into two mirror halves by the dotted line. 15, yes, this is divided into two mirror halves by the dotted line. So we can say here shape number 5, 6, 7, 8, 13 and 15 can be divided into two mirror halves. Children, do you like games? Here is mirror games. Here is a picture of a dog. You can place a mirror on the dotted line. Then the part of the dog to the right of the line will be hidden behind the mirror. What you will see is like a. So this is a picture of dog. And this is left side, this is right side. You have to place a mirror on this dotted line. If you put a mirror on this dotted line, then the part of the dog to the right of the line, this is part of the dog to the right of the line, will be hidden behind the mirror. And what will you see is like A. You will see like A. You can see this image in the mirror. This is mirror. And you will see like this. Now children, can you answer this question? Look at the figure in the white box. This is figure. On which of the dotted lines will you keep the mirror so that you get shape B? Also tell which part of the picture will be hidden when we keep the mirror on the dotted line. So children, this is white box. And here two dotted lines are given. This is vertical dotted line and this is horizontal dotted line. So on which of the dotted lines will you keep the mirror? To get this image, we have to put the mirror on the vertical line here. So we can keep the mirror in this vertical dotted line to get shape B. And which part of the picture will be hidden when we keep the mirror on the dotted line? This is left part and this is right part. So we can see here mouth, ear and this legs. So we want this part and this part will be hidden. Right part will be hidden when we keep the mirror on the dotted line. Now question is, now make a line on the white box to show where you will keep the mirror to get the picture next to it. To get this picture, here this result, that means we want to get this picture. We have to keep the mirror on this line. I have drawn a line here, so children you also draw this line here in your textbook or notebook. If we will keep the mirror here, we will get this picture, and here to get this we have to keep the mirror on this line, and here I have drawn this line here to get this picture. In this white box I have drawn this line here to get this picture, so that if I will keep the mirror, I will get these all pictures. So here top part will be seen and bottom part will be hidden, and here this left part will be hidden and right part will be seen. Children, you can do this all solution either in your maths textbook or in your notebook.